Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through the steps for opening and setting up your new 5-gallon eco-container with a hand pump to transfer the solution into a secondary container. Let's get started. The new container is more durable and secure, and it requires a bung wrench to open. Here's how you open the container for the first time. Put on chemical-resistant gloves before you open the container. Although Rescue is not classified for skin or eye irritation once diluted, gloves are always required when handling full-strength concentrate products. Attach the bung wrench onto the cap of your 5-gallon eco-container and rotate counterclockwise to open the container lid. Now, the container is open and can be used with your mixing station if desired. The new container is compatible with an easier-to-use and more durable hand pump. If using the new pump for the first time, here are the steps to set it up. First, slide the larger white adapter fitting, then the black O-ring, and finally, the small white locking unit onto the shaft of the pump, as shown. Then, place the pump into the container, ensuring that the foot of the pump is at the bottom of the container. Slide the locking unit down to the container opening and screw clockwise until the pump is secure. Before dispensing Rescue concentrate, pull the blue safety handle down to unlock the pump action. The pump may need to be initially primed. To prime the pump, move the handle up and down until Rescue concentrate is drawn out. You're now ready to safely use your eco-container and hand pump.